In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to emphasize words in ElevenLabs. Whether you're looking to make your script more engaging or simply want to draw attention to key points, emphasizing words can make all the difference in your voiceover projects. Let's explore a few effective techniques that you can start using right away. First things first, open up your web browser. Once your browser is open, navigate to the ElevenLabs website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to access ElevenLabs features. This platform offers a range of tools for text-to-speech conversion, and emphasizing words is one of its standout capabilities. Now that you're logged in and ready to enhance your narrative, let's explore some options. One of the simplest ways to emphasize a message is by using capitalization. This method is straightforward, yet powerful. Just type out the word or phrase you want to highlight in all capital letters. This approach tells the voiceover system to stress these areas, making them stand out distinctly within your script. It's a great start for any text meant to capture the audience's attention. Another effective strategy is to use double quotation marks around a word or phrase you want to emphasize. Placing text within quotation marks suggests that it should be delivered with a specific tone or inflection. This technique is particularly useful for conveying sarcasm or highlighting a unique phrase that you want your audience to remember. Consider adding ellipses, those familiar series of 3 dots, between words or phrases. This is an exceptional way to create pauses, giving weight and emphasis to the surrounding text. For instance, if you want to build suspense or lead your listeners to a pivotal point in your script, placing ellipses in the right spot can help convey that sense of anticipation. ElevenLabs handles these pauses with precision, allowing your narrative to flow smoothly while drawing extra focus on the parts you want to highlight. Each of these techniques offers a unique way to imbue your script with personality. Combining these methods can give your text depth, much like adding layers to a painting. While mastering the art of emphasis might take a little practice, experimenting with these tools will undoubtedly enhance your scripts with dynamic flair and resonance. Remember, the key is to find a balance that complements the tone and message of your content. So there you have it. By incorporating capitals, quotation marks, and strategic pauses through ellipses, your text-to-speech projects can achieve greater impact and clarity. Thank you for joining me today in exploring how to emphasize words using ElevenLabs. Happy scripting, and I can't wait to hear how you give voice to your words.